Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn where you can find traffic sources for your YouTube videos or for your channel. So what you want to do is just be in analytics and dashboard, then just click see more. And now you're gonna see the second thing, traffic source. And now you're gonna see like, okay, so I got from YouTube search 3000 views. Then from browse features, homepage, home screen 45. Other YouTube, traffic from within it that doesn't fall into other category, and then suggested videos. These are the most important one. Many times you can see like you're gonna have external or channel pages and stuff like that, but this is where you can see like, okay, if I get from so many views from YouTube search, I can probably focus more on YouTube search and I can create videos for YouTube search and it will be good. So this is how we can do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, see ya, have a great day and goodbye.